Hey you, I know you always wanted to be the artist of a viral or hit song. So, you've always wanted to make music, but let's face it, you're either too lazy to get started or you don't have fancy equipment lying around. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you some super easy ways to create music fast using BandLab. Whether you're inspired or not, BandLab will help you. If you're ambitious but lazy, how to make music with BandLab fast. 1. The BandLab Sounds. Let's start with the simplest option, BandLab Sounds. These are short, pre-recorded loops you can drag and drop into your track. Drums, bass, synth, vocals. You name it, they have it, literally everything. Just search for a style you like, pick some sounds, and layer them together. That's it. No need to play instruments or even think too hard. Your music will come together in minutes. 2. Instruments. If you already have a melody in mind. Okay, but what if you already have a melody in mind? BandLab's virtual instruments are here for you. You can pick from a ton of options like pianos, guitars, and even weird synth sounds. You can use your keyboard to play notes directly or just click them in with the piano roll. It's quick, easy, and lets you bring your ideas to life without needing a physical instrument. 3. AI Songstarter. If you don't have any inspiration. No inspiration? No problem. BandLab's AI Songstarter can create ideas for you. You just click a button, and the AI will generate a melody, chords, and even some beats. From there, you can change it or add your own touch. It's like having a creative buddy who does all the work for you. 4. The Beat Maker. Finally, let's talk about the Beat Maker, also drum machine. If you love building beats, this tool is for you. It's super easy, just click squares to add drums, kicks or hi-hats, and experiment until you get the vibe you want. You can create custom beats in seconds whether it's for rap, pop, or even lo-fi chill tracks. See? Making music doesn't have to be hard. With BandLab, you can create something awesome without spending hours or needing expensive gear. So, if you're ambitious but lazy, give it a try. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what I need to do next. Now you know how to make a nice song on BandLab. Even if you are an experienced musician or just a beginner. See you in the next video?